this is Book, and I'm back with another tutorial. If you've already been on my channel, welcome back, and if you have not been on my channel, welcome. I was asked to do this tutorial by one of my followers. Her name was the K_way. She actually was the one that asked me if I could do this tutorial, so thank you, girl. Here's your video. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to apply your strip lashes. So let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing that I will do when I get my strip lashes, I have to measure them to the size of my eyelid. And the only reason why you do that is because when you get your lashes, they're actually longer. So they can actually, you know, everybody has different size eyelids, so you have to make sure, you know, you gotta measure it to the size of your eyelids. So what I'll do is I'll go like this, and if it's long, I'll kind of pinpoint it, and then I'll take my scissors and I'll snip the end of my lash, and then I will start applying my adhesive. So this method is easier for me is if I use my tweezers. I know some people like to use their fingers, whatever, pinch, I don't know, but this method is easier for me. So what I'm gonna do is I actually have my mirror here to help me so I can look, and I'll actually be closer up to you guys so you guys can see, you know, what's going on here. So once you have the tweezer having a good grip on the lash, you're going to take your adhesive and you're going to apply it to the lash. And then what I do is I'm going to, let me set this down. I don't know what that extra bit is. I'm going to take some glue and I'm gonna actually put it on my eyelid, like at the lowest part, like closer to your actual eyelashes. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. And then this is probably already going to be dry, but you want to make sure that your adhesive is dry and so that it's set to go so it can go on your eyelid. Right. So what I do is I try to put it in the middle, and then once I put it in the middle, I'm going to actually, like, this is so hard to explain. I'm gonna actually like put this, y'all just watch me. Alright, so I have it set to the middle. You see it's like floating a little bit or whatever, right? So you're gonna take the end and then you're gonna actually place it there. It's not sticking. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna have to add some more glue, and then you're gonna take the front part and then you're going to stick it there. Now, y'all see it's not sticking, right? Let me show y'all something. You're gonna take a little more adhesive, and what I do is I'm going to like move this up, and then I'm going to just, you know, put some more adhesive there. Once that dries, I'll pin it, and then you know, maybe I could just explain the next eyelid more better than this one. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna wait till this one dries. There we go. And then take the mascara. And I normally do this because when you apply your foundation and your makeup and everything, you see that you don't want no powdery looking eyelashes, like, no. So we're just gonna apply some mascara. All right, we're looking good on this side. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my adhesive to my other eyelid. And you guys see that it dries clear, so you won't be able to see none of that. And then that's gonna dry. I'm going to take my other eyelash. I'm going to clamp it with my tweezer. I'm going to take my adhesive and just go over it. And make sure like the tip part has glue on it, because those ends have to stick. Because you don't want to be like floating around here and then you got this up and this up. Like that's not cute. That's not cute at all. We're gonna let it dry a little bit. Alright, it's tacky. So I'm going to take the end of my eyelash and I'm going to place it where I want it. And then I'm going to, let me see if I can do it in the camera. I'm going to, whoa, no, that's not what I wanted to do. No. Oh crap, alright, whatever. And then you're gonna like fix. There we go. And then at the end, if you feel like it's not close enough, you can actually take the tweezer and kind of like, you know, press it, make sure it's straight. Oh shoot. Make sure it's where you want it to be. But you just want to make sure that they're straight and they're not doing anything, you know, gang signs on your eyelid, on your eyelids. Because no, you want them to look crisp, good, like they growing from your own eyelids. Like, hey. And then I'm going to take my mascara. This mascara is so old, but guess what? It's doing the job. You can actually apply the mascara before you actually put on the strip lashes, or you can apply them after. I normally do both, so yeah. But yeah, girl, these are how you put on your lashes. And that's on period. Easy, simple. I really don't have a brand that I can like, you know, settle on to give to you guys, but I can say the ones that have thick wefts, those will last you long. Those are your money worth. You should check those out because these are the bomb.com. I love these lashes. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
Brand new bitch bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'.